Welcome back to my channel. She goes by India. Yep, that's me. I used 2 cups. The 2 cups of rice, I'm going to go ahead and pour it into the mason jar. I'm going to pour 2 cups of water. Time to give it a good mix, then pour it out. I'm going to repeat the same steps over one more time. What I'm doing now, since this is the last step, I'm going to pour 3 cups of water into the mason jar. I'm also going to add the peppermint essential oil into the mason jar with the rice water. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with the lavender essential oil. Close it up and give it a good mix. And remember, always keep God first.